Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to create the water ripple animation 100% for free, super easy and super fast. How to do that? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you would like to create the animation like water ripple, however, if you don't have the specific application, or if you haven't had the skills yet to create the animation from scratch, don't worry, because there will be the alternative, which is the AI that can help you to create the animation. And you can also create it, let's say, for your video asset, or maybe let's say the opening video of your content. So you can start to try this Meta AI here, and also don't forget to do the login first, whether that into your Google account or the Facebook account, since it is still one management with the Meta. And this will be the home page of the Meta AI, and here you can also not only create the animation but also, let's say, generate the picture or add something in general. And for example, here I will start to type create the water ripple animation in, let's say, 4K, and after that the water ripple was taken in the, for example, a beautiful pool during the sunrise, and show a bit of box, for example, like this, and click enter. And after that, kindly wait for the result. Basically, if you would like to create the animation from this text or the prompt, you will actually have 4 samples of the animation, guys. But it's gonna be a little bit different if you would like to change the picture into the animation. You will only have 1 sample, and each animation here will have 5 seconds duration, guys. And each of them you can do the extension only until 9 seconds, guys. And after waiting for a while, so this will be the result, and let's see. So this will be the animation. Isn't that cool and super realistic, right? And if you'd like to extend it, then you can start to click extend, and you will see there will also another tools like the restyle from the robot until the Videra, which mean about the look of this animation, guys. And you can also see it here, or you can also click up here, which is the process of the extension. So this will be the result from the animation video, from the 5 seconds to become 9 seconds, like this. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it's gonna be officially saved into your device. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.